Today's celebration marks an important moment for the Strait area. These tugboats are more than vessels. They are a commitment to our communities, to safer and more sustainable marine services, and to building the infrastructure we need for Nova Scotia's clean energy future.
This project isn't just about making clean fuel, it's about helping heavy industries globally, but also building a supply chain of clean fuels here locally. Nova Scotians can benefit from this generational opportunity of preparing our economy for a green future.
The Strait of Canso has always been a hub for industry, shipping, and innovation. And today's christening shows that we are continuing to build on that strong foundation.
We have the will and determination to become a recognized global player in the clean energy market, exporting and drawing investment and innovation to Nova Scotia.
The bottom line is that climate change is an economic imperative, and climate action needs to be a core element of economic strategy. We need to build a climate competitive Canada, and we need clean fuels like hydrogen and projects like EverWind to help us do it. We ask that the EverWind Pride be given the strength and the protection to carry on safely. To the EverWind Pride!